Have you ever given up a certain food you loved just because someone labeled it unhealthy? In a moment, we are exposing 9 so-called bad foods that are actually healthier than you think. 9 potatoes Au-Gratin. This particular food is considered unhealthy by many due to its high fat and calorie content from the amount of cream and cheese used when making it. This has led many people to directly relate it to increasing rates of heart attacks, but it's all just a myth, and it is healthier than you think. The base ingredient, which is potatoes, has so many health benefits attributed to it due to its richness in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Some of these healthy benefits include its ability to reduce heart disease risk, improve blood sugar control, and increase immunity as proven by several scientific studies conducted. To make this dish even more nutritious when preparing it, you may decide to eliminate cream and cheese, instead use something more healthy like plant-based milk, Greek yogurt, or even light cheese. 8. Pasta. Pasta is traditionally made from durum wheat, water, or eggs mixed together and then cooked in boiling water. Although wheat is the common base ingredient, other grains like rice, barley, and buckwheat can also be used to make it. The process of refining some types of pasta during processing by stripping the wheat kernel off the bran helps remove many of the nutrient contents and therefore makes it less healthy to eat. While some pasta are more nutritious than others, the general notion is that refined pasta is overloaded with carbohydrates, which can be harmful to your health when you consume it in large amounts. But unlike refined pasta, whole grain pasta is high in fiber, manganese, selenium, phosphorus, and copper, which makes it have lower calorie and higher fiber content and is much more healthy. You can pair pasta with fiber or protein contents before eating to make it part of a healthy meal. You can also try legume-based pasta for an even bigger nutritious impact. 7. White potatoes. White potatoes are labeled unhealthy by many people due to their high starch content. The general notion is that eating foods with high starch content is directly related to instant weight gain, but what if I told you that white potatoes are healthier than you think, and that eating them will bring lots of benefits to your health? How you prepare them plays a huge role in their nutrient content. This is because, unlike other vegetables, most of their nutrients are concentrated in the outer skin, and peeling the potato can take away a significant portion of the fiber and mineral content in each serving. Furthermore, frying them can increase their fat and calorie content, which is less healthy compared to other cooking methods like boiling and baking. Potatoes are also rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids and carotenoids, which are proven to have the ability to prevent certain types of chronic diseases, including cancer, diabetes, and heart diseases. 6. Egg yolk. Egg yolk is famously known to contain high levels of cholesterol and were once thought to directly raise blood cholesterol. But this misconception is becoming outdated due to the influx of conducted research, which has proven that there is no significant relationship between consuming eggs, which are rich in dietary cholesterol, and increased blood cholesterol in most people. Rather, it was discovered that eggs contain rich nutrients like choline, which is crucial for brain function, vitamin B12, and other healthy fats that are essential in the body. 5. Full-fat milk. There are several myths surrounding the consumption of full-fat milk, including the misconception that it leads to weight gain, and that it contains saturated fats which raise blood cholesterol and increases the risk of heart disease. However, studies have shown that there is no direct connection between consuming full-fat milk and weight gain, especially when it is consumed in moderate as part of a diet. Contrary to this popular belief, full-fat milk can help in weight management due to its fat content, which promotes satiety hence reducing the possibility of overeating and helping maintain a balanced calorie intake. Full-fat milk contains calcium, probiotics, and vitamin D, all of which support bone health. Furthermore, more research suggests that consuming full-fat milk might reduce the risk of stroke and support overall cardiovascular health due to the presence of bioactive compounds like conjugated linoleic acid. 4. Peanut butter. Just like fat-filled milk, peanut butter also has several unhealthy myths connected to its consumption, but they aren't necessarily true, as it can be incorporated into a healthy diet because of its benefits. Peanut butter is known to contain several healthy nutrients, including proteins, fibers, and healthy fats that help control your appetite by keeping you full and satisfied. Unlike the claim that peanut butter causes weight gain, studies have proven that it's the complete opposite. It can support weight loss when consumed in adequate portions as part of a balanced diet. Furthermore, peanut butter doesn't cause or worsen acne conditions. While it is composed of high oils and fats, there is still no evidence that consuming it can cause acne, breakouts, or worsen them. Acne is caused by several factors, including genetics, hormones, and excess oil production by hair follicles in the skin, none of which has a direct connection with consuming peanut butter. Therefore, it is quite evident that peanut butter can be made part of a healthy diet. You just need to watch your portion sizes and always go for natural peanut butter with no added sugar. 3. Dark chocolate. When you see chocolate, your brain automatically labels it as junk food. But chocolate has more to it than just that, especially the dark kind, which, even though it's more bitter, contains less sugar content and more cocoa solids, which makes it richer in antioxidants like polyphenols and flavonoids. High-quality dark chocolate, containing about 70% cacao percentage or higher, is rich in not only antioxidants, but also iron and magnesium, which are linked to improving heart and brain health and reducing inflammation. But here's the twist. All you need to consume is a few ounces of squares of the chocolate, and not the whole bar, as proven in a comprehensive study review submitted to the British Cardiac Society Journal, which found that consuming just 1.5 ounces of dark chocolate weekly is connected to a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. 2. Bread. Bread is known for its high carbohydrate content, which makes it a target for elimination when going on a low-carb diet. Dietary plans like the South Beach, Atkins, and Keto encourage limiting or even eliminating carbohydrates for a successful weight loss. However, some breads like whole grains and fiber can add nutritional value to your body, since carbohydrates are also critical to a balanced, healthy meal. In order to incorporate bread, which is rich in carbohydrates, into your diet in a beneficial way, go for whole grains like wholemeal and oatmeal bread. According to research, it is reported that whole grains, which are the main ingredient in bread, may have the ability to reduce the risk of heart disease, cancer, and diabetes, while also supporting weight management. 1. Coffee. For decades, coffee has been directly linked to adverse negative effects in our bodies, but you may find it surprising that it is healthier than you thought when taken in the right proportion. Coffee is a fairly healthy, non-caloric beverage with little evidence of health risks connected to it. Rather, evidence of its health benefits can be found especially for adults who drink 3 to 4 cups of coffee per day. Some research suggests that coffee may help prevent certain types of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, liver disease, and even Alzheimer's. It can also help improve alertness and workout performance. To enjoy all these healthy benefits, you should avoid adding cream, sugar syrups, and hydrogenated oils to your cup of coffee before drinking it. As we have discussed today, While we were meant to believe that these foods have more of a negative effect on our body, it is now quite evident that they are healthier than we thought. All it requires is to watch the portions and servings when we eat them, and we will not only enjoy their deliciousness, but also the healthy benefits that they have to offer. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more next time.